How to generate animated captions in CapCut Pro PC. Select the audio file from the imported media. Choose Captions. And click Generate. After generating the caption, choose the text animation you want. Now you have an animated subtitle. Like and share.